You're not firing anything.
Behind the tin building, up here.
What's up, everybody? This is part 2 of a skirmish to capture the church that was started in the previous video. Link in the card up here if you want to check it out. At this point, my teammate and I are moving along the north side of the field directly towards the church so we can link up with other teammates already in the area.
In the church. Next to the church. Oh, yeah. Did I get him?
No.
Got him. Tango down.
Nice.
Tango down.
Move up that way.
One,
wait,
two.
Wait. Bring your hand. Bring your hand in this building.
Whoosh.
Nice.
Cover me.
I got your 6. You gotta watch that way.
There was a guy right there. There's a guy right there in Ack.
Pull. Now.
Ah! Hit. Am I hit?
I don't think so.
I just broke my sling.
Watch that one. Oh, that's a window. You hate to see the windows.
You got that side, I got a sniper.
Definitely in that building.
I can snipe this way.
You want to fire in the hole?
Where? Do you have a grenade?
No, you just say it and they run out.
1, 2. Church window. Okay, I can shoot in that church window accurately.
Smoke their own position.
Hey, you got that spot covered?
Yeah,
I had the church window covered.
Tech reload.
Hell, I'm stepping on my own sling.
We're up.
That's from the church.
Seriously?
Yep.
There might be one more guy now.
Are they dead?
He hasn't peeked in a century. Whoa! Woo! Spicy.
Hey.
What did you say?
Church is empty. Move up. Come on, go. Church is empty. Check my right, we're gonna go to that corner.
I'm ready for it.
1, 2, 3.
Since we're ahead of most of our team, there are enemies behind and directly across from us, so we need to stay hidden and not get discovered.
Good.
They kept 2 guys holding that angle. Yeah, truck's emptying. I don't know if it's our guys. They enter that church, we're going in.
Is that the church right there?
Green guys in the church.
Heck yeah. All right, you want to get in?
Go around back. They need help around back.
Come on. We have to check the junkyard as well.
See that tire? See
Where?
right there? See that building right there that's got the tires in it.
Might be a guy in the police station. Careful.
You ready?
Where are we gonna go? Go!
Go to the police station.
Told you. I got the back. I can check the back.
You got the back. Dude, where's your ass? Unless you pick that guy off.
Where?
They can't get out.
Where is he?
No, there's the guy behind us.
Oh, behind us. He's in the police station. Oh, there's 2 guys in the police station. Got the back.
We have a long way to run.
Get cover.
Do we call it green?
Not yet. There's green in the church.
Are there?
Yeah. Check my right.
I got you right.
Okay. We're gonna go in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Green. Hit. Medic! Medic! I was dead.
Sorry. You're not firing anything. Yeah, dude, I hit you. Yes, you do.
Wait, what just happened there?
I was dead.
Sorry. You're not firing anything. Yeah, dude, I hit you. Yes, you do.
You're alive then. Come on.
No, that guy hit me more.
Oh, all right. Well.
Hit!
Hit! Wait a minute, if he's dead, he can still shoot you?
No, this is a different guy.
Oh.
And with that example of some more cheating, that's going to be the end of this gameplay. As always, my gear recommendation for today is the Plano All-Weather Tactical Rifle Case, and my music recommendation for today is The Hounds of Spring by Alfred Reed. You can find a link for the music in the card here, or links for both in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all next time.
He's like standing right there, and he definitely saw 2 minutes.